Hello, I nearly said happy Halloween. Happy Christmas Eve, everybody. And yes, our last window. This has been a hit, hasn't it, this year? The Advent calendar worked this year, the first time in 4 years. So let's see what we've got for today. It's not even in a bag today. Oh, that's odd. Oh, lovely. It's the Tree of Life. Can you see that? That will fit on. So we have got, I've got all my charms on there. I've got some on this one. So we've got 2 bracelets. And I went and checked my invoice, and I actually got it through voucher, the scheme voucher. And yes, it was 35, but it should have been nearly £80. So yeah, bargain. And I think we've all enjoyed opening that. So that is it. I thought there might have been 2 things in. I'm expecting too much. I haven't got a 25, have I? No. I got everything. Right, okay, so what's next? Well, it's the draw, isn't it? So we have done the draw. We've put, it's random chosen one of the videos from the 12 Days of Carolmas. We've put the identifier as Angel in. So, as I said, we decided that we would have a second place. So the second, I've got my bit of paper here, I'm doing it in reverse order. The second place winner is Louise Oakes, 776, Louise. So you get in the, one of the little bonus, not trifolds, concertina books. And then also I'm putting in this is just a little collection of ephemera pieces, which are all vintage. So I am putting that in for you. So if you can, we'll put our email address down below. If you can email me with your mailing address, please, Louise, that will be sent off to you after Christmas. So, first place winner. Where have I put my ticket again? I don't know. Not organised. I'm not too much on my mind. So I've put some extra goodies in there. Said there'd be some extra goodies. That is the other concertina bonus page. There's some tags. There's some of David's tickets there. There's some tags and journal cards that I've done. And of course, one of my pouches that's filled with goodies. And the winner is CARLA King. I know she'll be going, hooray! I think actually, Carla, that the random picker, I'm sure it's all these angels that you've been sending. You sent so many angels out. I'm sure that the computer must have recognised that. So you are the winner of this little goodie bag. So again, if you can email me your postal address, and this will be coming all ready for you to start your crafting new year. So thank you so much. We've had so much fun, haven't we, in these 24 days of December. And I wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a peaceful New Year. Bye from us.
Bye.